Hi, I'm Brian Cook. 20 years ago, I started CSG because I saw a better way of doing business. We wanted to change the game by putting the customer experience first. And this is how we did it. We started by getting rid of these ridiculous contracts. Our customers stay with us because we're the best in the industry, not because we lock them in. We provide simplified solutions to make your life easier. Simple and secure. Our team will get you back on course. Simple solutions. Excellent customer service. And that's our goal. It needs to be simple, easy to maintain, but most importantly, it needs to be secure. It's that simple. From ATM sales, support, and service to enterprise security solutions, we make it happen.